It says we're live. It's always a mystery. If your mind's racing, your body's begging. Most of us have spent years pushing through it, running on coffee, adrenaline, or sheer willpower. But our body keeps score. It whispers before it screams. So today we're talking about how to hear those whispers sooner, because that's where calm power really begins. Hi, I'm Claudette, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. This space is about practical calm, real tools, gentle rhythms, and everyday ways to feel steady again. I remember lying in bed one night, exhausted but wired, brain spinning, heart thudding. It's kind of boom, 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 boom. I'd done everything right that day, but my body wasn't shutting off. It hit me that I trained myself to stay on high alert, even when nothing was wrong. That's what chronic stress looks like for so many of us. We get stuck in reaction mode. Calm power starts with 3 tiny shifts you can make today. Notice your signal, meaning racing thoughts, tight shoulders, shallow breathing. That's your early alarm. Pause on purpose. 2 slow breaths to tell your body, I'm safe right now. Just And those breaths are really important when they come from way down deep. Don't take it from your throat, okay? So that's really important. It's just tells your body, I'm safe right now. Nourish the calm. That can be a short walk, soft music, or a simple daily support that feeds your stress response. For me, that's my morning drink. It's got ashwagandha and rhodiola and 2 natural aptogens that help my body shift out of overdrive. No hype, just support. Calm isn't something you get, it's something you practice. It doesn't just happen. You have to work for it, you have to work on it. So when we start responding instead of reacting, the body finally catches up. And that's when strength starts to rebuild. Not the loud kind, the steady kind. This conversation is for anyone who's tired of feeling tired. Whether you're juggling family, work, caregiving, or just trying to find yourself. Again, you're not broken. You're just burnt from overdoing. You know that phrase, burning the candle at both ends? Well, we knows what happened if you try that, right? So we're learning how to come back to calm together. So if you're watching the replay, just drop replay. And please, drop your comments. If you have questions, drop them in there. I will keep an eye on that and respond to you. So if this hits home, I've put together a free guide called Step into Balance. It's a calm, practical way to help your body steady stress and rebuild strength. So drop the word calm below, and I'll send it to you personally. You have it, we have to make a choice. We have to make the choice to want to bring that calm into our life and feel better and act better. And by bringing that calm, it actually livens our life in a positive way. So thank you for being here. And I look forward to having conversation with you and sharing more. So again, I'm Claudette, and I just happy to have you here. So again, I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. Have an amazing day.